If you need to remove a payment method from your Netflix account, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account from which you want to remove the payment method. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Membership and Billing. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Membership and Billing. This section contains all the information related to your subscription and payment methods. Step 4. Manage payment information. Within the Membership and Billing section, find the option for Update Payment Info or Manage Payment Methods. Click on this to view your current payment methods. Step 5. Remove payment method. Locate the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option to delete or remove it. Click on that option and confirm your choice to successfully remove the payment method. After completing these steps, your payment method will be removed from your Netflix account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for assistance.